What's going on? So I haven't made a video in a really long time, but I've been kind of sick and busy and all kinds of other stuff, and we're doing a lot of boring stuff. But right now, I'm gonna prep this to ship out. That's a Mercedes OM606 exhaust flange. This guy, KA oil pan, getting a bung welded for the turbo oil drain. And then cool stuff. Flange. Cool little collector boy. And some bends and some straight stuff. Making a sweet fucking high-rise manifold for my KA. It's gonna be sweet. I got the bung welded to the KA pan. Got this guy and a couple other cleaned up, ready to ship out. So, gonna package these tonight and send them on their way. So essentially, it's going to be like this. Just a little bit, you know, like that. But no down and then up. We're just shooting straight up. The outside boys go into there. Boom. And then the inside boys are going to go up and to there. So hopefully they'll be about equal length. But if they aren't, I don't give a fuck. So these guys are unmodified, just straight 90-degree bend. Cut some of these, they're about 3 inches long. And they're going just about like that. Bop, bop. And then off of that, it's just going to be a quick little bend on each side. And it's going to be almost perfectly symmetrical to a point. I'm not going to put like any effort into making it symmetrical besides just looking and seeing. But, bop, bop, and then these will come out. So I didn't get it on video, but made those guys. Just a simple little cut like that. Tacked it all together. And now I whipped up this guy. I'm gonna have to one-hand it. This guy goes to this guy. Bop, bop. And then a little 90 off of that. And it'll put them at a pretty similar length, which is kind of cool. Yeah, that helps spool the turbo, helps exhaust flow a little bit. So, I'm going to tack those in place now and move on to the next thing. Here it is with that guy in place. Need to make a tube for that. Basically like that. And then redo the same thing basically for that. And that's roughly how it sits right there. Pretty fucking stupid. I like it. I took one of the KA heads out of the back parts area and kind of mocked it up, and it's pretty fucking sweet. It'll definitely do the job. Put the turbo right in front of my face. My face is like right here, and then my turbo's right here, and then the exhaust is gonna be right here. Shit's gonna be nuts. Here it is, all one piece. So now I'm going to drop a couple more tacks on some of the lines, and then I'm going to separate it. I'm gonna separate it there, like right there, right there, right there, right there. Pull these pipes off so I can weld all of this and all of this easily, and then drop it back on. And then basically I'll just have to do this bead, this bead, this bead, and this bead. And that should be good to go. Then I just need to put my wastegate somewhere like there-ish. Basically cut a big hole and put a pipe, and that'll be good.
The night is cold and I'm so all alone.
portion is like 99% welded up. Just need to finish around there, finish that one, and maybe touch up a couple spots. But I'm literally almost out of welding gas. I've been watching it, seeing if I'm running out, but I haven't been. But I don't think I have enough to restart and finish it while back purging. So I need to go get gas tomorrow. So my machine shop, well, I guess USPS lost some parts from my machine shop. So he sent some replacements, and this is the box he sent them in. This fit perfectly in a USPS flat rate box, and it's like a fucking coffin for parts. All of those screws came out of the top and the sides are fucking 1/8 inch steel plate. Shit, boy went in on that. Also, I want to show you guys some sweet upgrades we've done to the shop. Built this guy and that little 2x4 thing to hold a fuckload of tubing, very organized. And it was under the plasma table, but that makes it all messy and dusty. And then, if we come over here, you might have seen this on the Sideways Fab Instagram, which you should follow if you're not already following it. But, boom, we had a woodworking room now to build speaker boxes and whatever else we feel like building out of wood or fiberglass or fucking whatever. So, fancy shit. So I didn't get video of me welding everything because that's kind of boring, but here it is. I'll take off all of the aluminum foil. Oh, and in case anyone's wondering, the aluminum foil is hooked up to this hose. Hose goes to a second regulator, and it's called back purging. So basically I'm putting the argon gas on the inside while the cup is putting it on the outside of the weld. So basically it gets good coverage and doesn't like cause sugaring, basically, which is a shitty weld on the inside. So I did that, and there she is. I still need to surface, like, flatten this flange once it's cooled down, but it should be pretty fucking sweet, I think. There she is, all done up. Fucking good to go. Should be pretty sweet. I'm gonna need to make a new oil drain line, of course, since it's a lot taller, but my oil feed line will work fine. But thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Turn the notification button on if you really care that much. And adios.